Hey everyone, this is Hannah with another Oneflow hack. Today I'm going to be talking about how to import contracts into Oneflow. There's a couple different reasons why you might be wanting to import contracts. For starters, you might be new to Oneflow. Welcome. And you want to bring in your historical contracts, or maybe you're just onboarding a new team and they want to bring in their historical contracts. Or maybe you've been using Oneflow for a while now, but you're working with a counterparty who wants to use their own software, and so you sign it externally outside of Oneflow, but you still want to keep all of the contracts and information in Oneflow with the rest of your documents, and you want to get the same kind of reminders and contract metadata from the contract as well. In order to import your contracts, you're going to start in your document section here and go ahead and click on the Import Signed Document button. Now go ahead and just drop the file . Now the PDF has been dropped into this Oneflow contract, and the great thing is that you can still add all of the Oneflow elements to this contract. So for example, you can add a duration period. That way, even though this was signed externally, you can still get reminders in Oneflow about when this contract is going to near its expiration period or when it's going to be coming into a new signing period. You can also add form fields, so if you want to add any descriptors of what type of contract this is going to be really helpful when you look at your contract metadata, which if you don't know anything about contract metadata, check out my other hack video about this to see why this would be relevant. This is also relevant to help you be able to more easily search for this contract in your archive, since the search is going to be looking for information from these form fields. Okay, now that you have the information here to be able to find this contract, get information from it, and get reminders, we're just going to add the signing parties. And then you can mark it as signed. Here you can also select the date, so if it was signed a while ago, you can pick when it was signed. This contract is going to have automatically applied an import tag so that when you look into your archive, you can see all of the imported contracts and make it very clear to which ones were signed in Oneflow and which ones weren't. Now you may have noticed that when we went to import the contract, there were two different options. You can either drop the file here and add all of those different pieces from scratch, but there's also the ability to use a template. So this is for if you have tons of contracts that you're importing in, and you know for all of them you're going to want to add a duration period, you're going to want to add a form field, and a specific form field that you want to describe in a certain way. Then what you can do is create a template that is blank and that only has those additional pieces for it, so that way when I go to import a contract, I can click into that template, and now I can upload the PDF document, but that these additional pieces are automatically added at the end. As with any Oneflow contract, you can also, of course, add tags to add that additional layer of organization to your imported contracts. And that's how you import contracts. If you are going to be doing a bulk import and want some help from Oneflow, go ahead and reach out to your Oneflow representative to learn more about some of our options there. That's it for this hack video. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to get notifications on any new tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.